Right guys, welcome back to another video, and I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's watching. I've recently hit 1,000 views on 2 of my videos, and that wouldn't have been possible without you guys, so thank you very much. Right guys, so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to change my interior lights from this ugly yellow that they have going on to a white. And whilst I'm at it, I'm also going to be changing my number plate lights to, I'm sure it's a blue color. My friend gave me the light, so let's see how that goes as well. Right guys, so I'm going to show you obviously how the old lights are. So as you can see, there's that yellow color, and same goes for the back as well. They're in that yellow, and obviously go out to the back of the car. There she is. Oh, them brake calipers do look nice in red. And yeah, at the back of the car, as you can see, the number plate lights are in yellow, and they're going to change as well. So yeah, there you have it, change them, and also the interior lights. Right guys, so what you're going to need to obviously change your number plate lights and the lights inside, you're going to need a pry tool. You also need a star screwdriver, and then your lights as well. My lights have been given to me by my friend kindly, so a big thank you to T for giving me these lights. One's there with 2 screws, and then the other one's there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew them. It is straightforward. It's not a long procedure as well. So there's one. And there's the other one. Once they're both out, obviously get the thin edge of your pry tool and just place it on the edge here, and it should just unclip it. There we have it. So as you can see, like I said, the 2 screws and then your light in the middle. So these are the Festoon LED lights that have been given to me. I've been told they are quite bright, so it's quite easy to put back in. Just the same way, obviously, you took the old ones out. And then just make sure it's facing down. And there we have it. And it just literally clips back in. Yep, there we have it. And then just put your screws back in. Jesus. Oh, where's I lost the screw? There we have it. And basically repeat the same process on the other side, and you should have it. Right guys, so both the lights are now in, as you can see, 1 and 2, and see, you can turn them on, mate. There we have it. It's like a, what's it, ice white. There, that's a lot better. Right, we're gonna start off with the back. Obviously I'll just show you before I change them. And the middle one will come on when the doors open. So this is the most easiest part. That is it, literally. And just follow it around with your hand and it'll come off. And then obviously you have your bulbs in here, all 3 of them. Now the ones I've got T10 LED lights. I don't know how good it'll focus on the camera, but there we have it. And it's straightforward. It's just literally just pull them out and push them in. That's one. Two. And there's the third one. So there you go guys, all 3 of the bulbs are in. A moment of truth guys, so let's see if these LED bulbs work. There we have it. Bright as anything. So yeah, obviously because the doors are open, the lights will stay on. Like I said, the middle light will come on when your doors are open, and then you have that and that. So yeah, it's that simple guys. And then the cover just goes back in like that, and there we have it. So before obviously I change these lights, so let me just show you. Now some people obviously take the glass off and change it. I'm going to be taking the full unit off and then changing them. And obviously once again your pry tool comes in handy as always. Straight away, as you can see, one screw here and there's one here. Mine's only got one that's holding it in place, so we're just gonna go ahead and unscrew that. Don't want to be losing these screws. And then the unit should just, there we have it, come down. Obviously unclip it, and there you have it. Your lights obviously are sitting in there, 1 and 2, and very easy to take out. It's just a matter of turning it and pulling the bulb out. So it's the same lights that we used for the rear T10 bulbs. there we have it. Bang on. And then obviously get it or put it all back into place. And then screw it back, guys. Right guys, so as you can see, sorry, I've put everything back together. Everything obviously lines up and sit flush. And there we have the lights as well. So it's not a long process, but it makes a big difference to how the car looks. So like I said guys, I am gonna get you some night shots of how the lights look inside and out. So as you can see, like I said, the number plate lights are quite bright. There we are. And then the interior as well. So there's the back one. And there's the front ones. Right guys, so as you can see, it is quite dark. Late at night, I've just finished work as well, so I'm still in my work clothes. But there was the installation video on the LED lights and also the rear number plate lights. They are quite easy to put on. It's not hard work at all, but yeah, I hope you benefit from this guys. So as you can see, the lights are on. It makes a huge difference. Not only inside but even from outside, it makes the car look a lot better. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care.